welcome to JTV's Jewelry Care and Repair Series. My name's John Brooks and I'm one of the jewelers here at JTV. Today's lesson is how to reattach a clasp with a broken jump ring. I've got some simple tools. I've got a couple of pair of pliers and that's about all we need. So you've probably had this bracelet laying around that nightstand drawer, not doing anything. Let's get it out and get it on that wrist and show it off. Okay, attach this clasp to the jump ring, feed that through there. Now we'll do it through the end of this link where it was torn from. Just go ahead and grab one end of this jump ring with a pair of pliers. And we'll grab this other end with the other pair. Now the motion here should be back and forth and pressing together. So let's go ahead and squeeze that closed. And there we go. Now, you'll find that a lot of the modern pieces of jewelry do not use solder to join these rings, so you can see that it took quite a bit of effort to get that closed, and it seems pretty secure to me. Well, thank you for watching our video today. Hopefully you enjoyed it and learned something at the same time. Be sure to check in with JTV's YouTube channel. A lot of good information and a lot of wonderful categories. We'll see you again soon.